Okay,
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy M City. You're not get too close. It's your boy M City Solo. You already know though. It's basically letting everybody know March 1st, March break. So what's up? How's it going? All the fans out there, not even fans, all the supporters. Because I don't like fans. That's short for a fanatic. That's crazy to me. So don't even worry about all that. Shouts to all the supporters. Basically, I'm just letting you guys know I'm still with you. This year we still dropping the videos. Expect one drop this week. So Solo did very nice. Shouts for all the comments. The comments was lovely. It was lovely. Shouts for the Warrior comments is too. Black History still continues. Never stop the research. What else? We're dropping more videos. We're dropping more music on you guys. So just keep expecting it. I'm gonna keep dropping it, and that about it, yo. Until next time, just keep it locked in. Welcome to M City.
Keep it locked in.
Okay. Oh, hold up. Oh. All right. You see what he just brought in right there? That's what we call the Eddies right there, aka the Murphys. You know what I'm saying? If you ever watched what movie is that? Metro. I think it was called Metro, something like that, where he brought that dude. You know what I'm saying? That's the.
I shout out Lika anyways.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, shouts to Lika, shouts to West Can. You know, drop out the company anytime we can. He brought out the Murphys, man. And we in NDG right now. We in No Damn Good. We in the skate park.
Give us 2 fingers, yo. This
is Bob.
What's up, yo?
NDG skate park. That's how we get down. You know what I'm saying? Because that's how everyone wonder where my swag be at. That's that skater steez. You know what I'm saying? I like that skater. Anyways, let me not get carried away. And that about it.